Introducing the Gorilla Grip Adjustable Rolling Pin. Achieve perfectly crafted and consistent dough heights. 4 adjustable discs on each side allow you to adjust the pin's height for custom recipes. Constructed from solid beechwood, the pin is durable for lifetime use. It also features a measurement guide. Hand wash for an easy clean. We hope you love your new rolling pin from Gorilla Grip.
Introducing the ZLion adjustable rolling pin with storage space in a beautiful gift box. Unlike other rolling pins out there, this has a unique storage base, which is so handy to store everything safely and securely. No more falls, no more breaks. This will make your baking life so much easier. The stainless steel pin does not stick to dough like wooden ones or crack like rocky ones. It can freeze to keep the dough cool or warm it up in water to keep the dough warm. The rolling pin comes with 4 size adjustable rings to easily roll the dough to desired thickness. It takes the guesswork out to perfectly rolling out cookies, pastries, fondant into even depths every single time. The mat is perfect for rolling, baking in the oven, and/or storing in the freezer. It immediately adheres to the counter and does not budge. It also has imprinted measurement conversion tables. No need to remember the conversion measurements anymore. It sure does take the guesswork out to perfectly rolling cookies, pastries, or fondant into even depths every time. All of this comes in a beautiful gift-ready decorative box. It's the perfect kitchen gadget everyone will love. You will absolutely fall in love with baking with this easy-to-use tool.
I have 2 different rolling pins here. My favorite was always the silicone until I discovered a new substance called syn glass. And you can see it has slight texture, and it is the most non-stick substance in a rolling pin I've ever seen. In fact, it's made of the same material as the dough mat. So I can begin just by rolling until I get it to be a little bit thinner, and then I want to roll the cookies 1/8 of an inch thick. I roll most of rolled cookies that thickness. And in order to establish how thick it's going to be and that it's going to be even, what I do is I use these silicone, well, I call them fast tracks. They're exactly an eighth of an inch thick, rather. And when you lay them on either side, your rolling pin needs to be long enough, of course. And when it sits on the fast tracks, it determines the exact distance between the counter or the dough mat and the bottom of the rolling pin, which is an eighth of an inch. And therefore, when you roll the dough to that dimension, it will be automatically an eighth of an inch thick. So that's secret one of making these cookies look like bakery cookies, that each one is the same and each one bakes the same amount of time because they're all the same size. And I'm going to need to stamp out 2 cookies from each piece, so I'm going to roll them approximately the width of 2 cookies. And this is the great thing about cookie dough, or at least this cookie dough, is that you can re-roll the scraps. So after cutting it, any pieces of dough that remain, you just roll into the next batch.